Continuing with our last touch upon the area of management with the topic of the basic process or functions of management, let us look into the managerial skills, the three general skills that are needed for managers to be successful. Manager's job requires a range of skills. Although some management theorists propose a long list of skills, the necessary skills for managing a department or an organization can be placed in three categories. We have conceptual, human, and technical skills. First of all, the conceptual skills. A manager's mental ability to coordinate all of the organization's interests and activities is what conceptual skills is about. It's about thinking strategically and to see how a team fits in an organization and how an organization fits into an industry and community, looking at the overall picture. Then we have the interpersonal skills. A manager's ability to work with, understand, mentor, and motivate others both individually and in groups. The third we have is our technical skills. A manager's ability to use the tools, procedures, and techniques of a specialized field. If we look at the three skills in relation to the managerial levels, we can see that conceptual skills are needed most at the top management level, while technical skills are needed most at the first level or first line managerial level, while human skills are needed most at the middle managerial level. As the exhibit says, that a manager, when moves from the supervisory to the top management level, conceptual skills become more important than technical skills, but human skills remain equally important. And this is reflected in the middle level management the most, where all three levels, all three categories of skills are equally important. The next topic is management types. Managers use their conceptual, human, and technical skills to perform the four management functions of planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. In all organizations, be them large and small, manufacturing and service, profit and non-profit, traditional or internet-based, but not all managers' jobs are the same. Managers are responsible for different departments. They work at different levels in the hierarchy and meet different requirements for achieving high performance. There are two aspects or dimensions to management types in an organization, which are vertical and horizontal. For further description of these management types, please refer to the next video. Thank you.